Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting both models ready. Charge them to at least 80%, update firmware, and reset to clear prior settings. Once done, pair each to the same phone or laptop so comparisons stay fair. Make sure you use the same audio file and app for all tests at the same volume because different sources mask differences. Now put each on for a short listen to check fit and seal. These first steps reveal obvious comfort and connection issues before deeper evaluation. You move into focused listening. Run a frequency sweep, then play vocal-centric, bass-heavy, and acoustic tracks to notice tonal balance and clarity. While listening, toggle active noise cancellation and transparency modes to compare effectiveness and how they change timbre. Make notes on passive isolation too. Next, record a voice memo to evaluate call quality and test latency with a video clip for lip sync. Once you finish, rank differences in clarity, low-end control, staging, and latency, so the decision becomes data-driven. You finalize by weighing a clear matrix: sound signature, comfort over long wear, battery life, and features like ANC or spatial audio versus the price. Once decided, tailor EQ and ANC to your preference and enable multi-point pairing if needed. Test voice assistants and phone calls. If something goes wrong, try practical fixes. Reboot the headphones, repair the device, reinstall firmware, and test a different source or cable. If persistent, check support options. This one troubleshooting tip resolves most comparison headaches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.